Let's introduce the backup tool. Here we see projects that we may want to back up. We can see that a project can have a tree directory structure. We turn on the backup tool, where we can select the project with the formats in which I want to back up. Wait for the tool to load with the necessary projects and their structure. The loading time depends on the size of the projects and their tree structure. After loading, we can see all projects with their tree structure. Now we can select the individual files, folders, or entire projects we want to back up. We can see the number of selections on the screen. So we make a selection and the formats we want to back up to. You can use the individual buttons to back up only selected projects and files or back up everything, but this can take a long time. There is also an option to insert selected items into the current design. We have chosen to back up specific items by selecting the directory where we want to back up. Now, we wait for the backup to take place. Here we can already see the individual backed up files in the selected folder and the selected formats with their original structure. Finally, we see information about the backup. We hope you liked the add-on.